Well, time to get the grill. What the actual fuck are you two doing here?
Wait a minute, why do I have a feeling it's... No. No.
Bon appetit.
What the f*** is this?
Now to reveal myself.
Oh crap. It's Fred.
It's concussion time.
Just as I suspected.
Time to get back to work.
What the f-
It's the Nightly Stalker.
Like Zanks, that thing is huge. Run, Shaggy.